Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business about page image using super zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas. I place the image and pause. About pages build trust. I convert the image to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw Filter and enable super zoom carefully. I lower noise immediately. I zoom into faces and details. I adjust clarity lightly. Business visuals should feel honest. I reduce zoom slightly because authenticity matters. I mask background distractions. I zoom out and feel calm. This image now supports the business.